Let's talk about the next step, manufacturing on Mars. If we have a CNC machine on Earth or on Mars, you can use it to make stuff. But the question is, to bootstrap the manufacturing capability on Mars, you need to make a CNC machine using the resources and skills you have available on another planet only. And if you look, you can see, of course, the metal structure, actuators, cabling, electric and signals, power and signals, hydraulics, other stuff, cutting tools, electronics and software are also important parts. And all of that has to exist on Mars before you build the first CNC machine. In our next videos, we'll cover all of those areas separately. But think of this task as a benchmark to understand what is required to create an independent manufacturing capability on another planet.